Welcome to Botveda, your go-to channel for robotics, automation and AI. In this video, we will going to see how to create a fusion model to ROS2 package. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest update. You need to check your default modeling orientation. To check the modeling orientation, go to your profile, preferences, and here you will see the default modeling orientation where it is Z is up. If you are not seeing this or you getting Y is up, then please select Z up and click OK. I select XY plane for sketch. As my robot base is cylindrical, so I am drawing a circle of 200 mm diameter over here, and let's finish the sketch. After extrude the sketch by 40 mm. Again select the top surface of the base link which we have created and sketch on it. I'm again creating 150 mm circle on it and finish the sketch. Again extrude it to 40 mm. Now I am taking XZ plane for sketch. Using the line tool, I am creating the connector to connect our second link to third link. Do the same I am doing. And let's finish the sketch. After this, I am taking it to home view and I am extruding it in symmetric. Here you will see the one side. Select the symmetric and enter the value. I am taking 40 here, but 40 is too much. So I am taking 35 or 30 here and check here, it should be a join. Okay, now I am selecting. Okay, we forget one thing, we need to create a body here, second body here. We have connected a join, so let's edit this. Right click here and edit feature, and instead of join select new body and click OK. It will create a new body. You will see here body 1 and body 2. Body 1 is our base link and we will select the surface. We will select this surface. We select this surface to create an axis for third link joint, and we create a circle over here of 20 mm to create an axis and finish the sketch. Again take a home view to view it clear, and I will use extrude command here with the -100, and instead of cut create a join there and click OK. Here a joint with axis is created. Now there is time to create a third link on the surface. So select the surface and make a sketch of our third link. a sketch using line tool. Here you will see, just click and create a sketch. Double click and drag it to make a semicircle or to make a half circle. Again double clicking and dragging to create a half circle. Our link is ready, but we need to create a hole for axis of 20 mm. Finish the sketch. Just select the sketch to extrude by control click, and we know the distance in between these two is 60, so I just clicking 60 and new body and click OK. A third link is created, and you should now we have to create a fourth link on this surface. So I again taking a line tool to create a fourth link sketch. I'm taking again line tool to complete our remaining sketch. Again there is two lines are remaining. I'm completing it just by using line tool. Yeah, it's done. We have created our fourth link sketch, and just click finish sketch. Again it's time to extrude a sketch. We're taking home view. We don't know the distance in between those two surfaces, so we just here we will select a minus 60 and new body and click OK. We are taking home view. On this surface we create an axis. Here you will see the third link sketch, so according to that we will create axis on fourth link. In this sketch I will create a circle of 20 mm diameter. It matches with the previous link. Let's finish the sketch and then again extrude. With a join, and I just hide the link third to clearly view the fourth link. Okay, it's clear, so I just join this and click OK. Okay. Okay, our robots links are created successfully. Now we will see how to join the link. Before joining, we need to rename our links. Body 1 with base link, base underscore link. Body 2 with second link, second underscore link. Body 3 with third underscore link. And body 4 with fourth underscore link. Now right click on bodies and create new component from bodies to create a joint. Here our 4 components are created. Now in assembly tab you will see the joint. To create a joint, click on this joint, select the child link, and then parent link where we have to join the child link. Then go to motion, select the revolve joint and give the limit to 360 degree. Here you will see the animation of our link. Click OK. We have to join the second link and third link. So we will select the joint and hide the second link. We will select the axis. We have to select the midpoint, not surface point. So here midpoint is selected. Then we will hide the third link and we will see the second link, and again select the same point of second link, and we will create a revolute joint where maximum limit is 90 degree and minimum is minus 90 to work this perfectly. Here you will see the animation of our third link, which working perfect. Okay. Now we have to join the fourth link and third link. So we will take a join. We hide the third link and we select the point where we have to fix the where we here we have taken the point where we have to join the third link and fourth link. We will again select the origin of third link and we will change the maximum limit to 90 and minus 90 and rest at 0. Here you will see the working correctly. It's done with our model creation. Now we will see how to export the URDF file from Fusion 360. Go to your browser and search for Fusion 360 to URDF ROS2. I will give the link of this GitHub repository in description. Here you will see Run Timer Robotics Fusion 360 URDF ROS2. Click on it and click on down arrow of code and download the zip file. It started to download. I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel this and I will show you the directory where I have downloaded this. Go to downloads. Here I have downloaded it recently, Fusion 360 URDF ROS2 -main. I will copy it and paste it to my working directory. Here is the file is already available. I will delete it. Extract this zip file here. This zip file is extracted. Now go to Fusion Swim, Utilities, click on Add-ins. Just click on that plus icon and select the repository where we have extracted that zip file. Click on the Fusion URDF export ROS2 directory inside that zip file. We need to save our robot model. Save it using Ctrl S. I am giving the name demo robot, demo_robot, and save it. After save, I will click add-ins. I am running the script. Run. OK. Then again OK. And I am selecting the folder where I have to save my package. If you are using Gazebo Harmonic, press S. Else, if you are using Gazebo Classic, press No. I am using Gazebo Classic, so I am pressing No. It's showing that successfully created URDF file and launch file for Gazebo Classic. It's done.